Continuing our look at voltage, current and resistance, we still have the simple power supply. I've set it around about 10 volts and I have a resistor. This is quite a large resistor. It's designed to handle a large amount of heat. So it's 22 ohms in value, and our circuit comes out of the positive to one end of the resistor. The other end of the resistor goes back to the negative of the supply. If I turn the supply on, I now have a current flowing through there. And we can use an ammeter to show us how much current flows through there. If I disconnect the positive lead from the supply, I'm going to connect a new lead. So from the positive, I'm going to go into the ammeter and then out of the ammeter goes to our circuit. So the current flows out of the power supply through the ammeter, and it's indicating there, and it then flows through the resistor back to there. So we've got a complete circuit. Let's just draw that. If I just make a little space. So once again we have our terminals, positive and negative. We now come out of the positive into the ammeter. There's the ammeter. Out of the ammeter goes to our resistor. There's the symbol for a resistor. And from the resistor back to the supply. And that is our circuit. The current flows that way, and here is our supply voltage. We write Vs for supply voltage. So the current flows through the circuit and it's flowing through the ammeter. If we just watch the ammeter, we can change the amount of current. If I reduce the voltage down to say 5, try and keep my hands out of the way. Okay, so I reduced it down to about 5 volts and the current is now reduced. If I reduce the voltage further, the current reduces. If I increase the voltage, let's go up something like 15 or something. There we go, about 15 volts. I've increased the current. So we're proving Ohm's law. The increase in the current is proportional to the applied voltage.